Manipur ki irang asina maram oirga lanjana raktuna relief camp ta leiriba imung gi miyoi sing tangkak ahum laktona masa gi mayumda hanjana bahonari mayum makai leitraba singina lupa lak ahum romgi senthang piragani haina Manipur gi Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh phongdokrai Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribe lingkat ki basahi ani surakpagi Foundation Day ngasi Hotel Imphal gi sangai holda pangthoki Tharomadugi sideline da Pawmi Singh na hangbo wahangi paukum pireduna Chief Secretary na hai sahi asigi July October madi December thada tangkak ahum lakthona lanjana riba sing masa gi yumda hanjil hana balangan thabak packet kani Hojik relief camp ta leiriba lanjana riba sing gi manungda mioi lising taret lomgi yum kai semgat chagana ba apikpa senthang pina basu honari hairu mi sing asigi yum sing irang asida akai toi thokidrabasu matam sangna mi lenadaba oibana season ba yararoi makoi singi nauna yum semgat chana ba senthang asi pigadabani haiki Loina na masagi yumda hanjin bada khudong saroi daba mioi singoina free fabricated house ta leina ba thorang tauri Pawmi Singh na makata na hangba wahangda Chief Secretary na hai Mafam kyada lau sumubagi thabak thoram ingna singna paikhali Manipur gi oina Aadhaar updation gi thabak su paikhalagani haiki
We have come up with a three-phase plan. First is those who want to immediately go back. So that is by July. A good number will go back. They have already started going back. The number which was 62,000 in the beginning is now about 57,000. And as we speak, yesterday I took stock of Churachandpur and Kangpokpi. People have started going back. The first round will go back by July. The second round by October. And the third round by December. Now for this, let me tell you, there are 2-3 types of help that the government is planning. One is for about 8,000 or 7,000, I'm not just forgetting, houses which have been destroyed. There we are planning to give 1.3 plus 1.73 lakhs so that they take that money and build their house wherever they want to build. The second is a category where about again 7,000 where people have fled their house but the house has not been damaged, not destroyed. But over 2 years of neglect, it has been dilapidated. So there will be some kind of monetary help for those people also, so that they can go and set up their house and start their living. And the third category is even after December, there will be a good amount of when I say about number can be about anything around 8 to 10,000 who will not be able to go back immediately. For example, people who have come back from say maybe More or some people from Kangpokpi or Churachandpur, they will be allowed to stay in the prefabricated houses for which we are building 1,000 more prefab houses. But the camps are planned to be shut by December. The farming is also going on peacefully. Adequate arrangements have been made, and I am glad to share that both sides are farming together. Within eyeball to eyeball distance, and they are sharing water. That's a very good sign. We have appealed to all the CSs also to just maintain calm.
Makatana Pawmi Singh na hangba wahangi paukum pireduna Chief Secretary na hai Manipur Prime Minister Narendra Modi lakani hainaribasi official Oibadi Leitri Adubu Manipur gi oina infrastructure projects sing sem saba loisilaklei sangana ba ngaiduna leibasu yaunari Chief Secretary na makhatana kumkibada mafam kyada lawsum gi thabak thoram sing sodumak sathari Aadhaar updation ga loinana Manipur da Aadhaar ningthina Sijinari bra amadi ningthina semle bra habasu yangsingani Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribe lingkat ki basahi ani surakpagi Foundation Day gi thoramaduda Manipur linga ki Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh na Commission asigi Chairperson ti Matthew Rongmai Tribal Affairs and Hills ki Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Vaspai Additional Chief Secretary Finance Vivek Dewangana amadi atai marui ba official sing susaruga ki
There is a big rumors regarding the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Manipur.
Not that we are aware of. An expectation is there, but then nothing has come as of now. A lot of things are ready for inauguration. Whether it is, from wherever it is done, civil secretary is one, police headquarters is there, IT SEZ is there, the building is there. In addition, the outside Manipur also, the Manipur Bhavan in Dwarka, huge structure, huge building is ready now. Manipur Bhavan, Kanyu Bhavan in Calcutta is also ready. There are other things of other departments. Saski, a lot of works have come up. So all of it can be inaugurated together or that depends.